Hi again, baking class. Teacher Dave here. Today we're gonna make one of my kids' favorites and one of my favorites too. Buttermilk waffles. Now, if you don't have a waffle maker, you can modify it to make pancakes, which I'll put that at the end of the recipe. But the waffle maker I bought, I think it was $15 at Fred Meyer or something like that. And it really does make a difference. Waffles are so good. Anyway, so here we go. Enjoy. Here are the ingredients you'll need. First, melt the butter in the microwave. I like to do it at 50% power. Next, add 2 eggs and beat them. Next, add your 1 3/4 cup buttermilk. And whisk it all together. Now add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And your melted butter cooled to room temperature. Whisk away. Now combine all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Finally, a teaspoon of salt. It is time to whisk. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix it up. Heat up your waffle maker and get ready to make some buttermilk waffles. But first, spray it down with some non-stick spray. Measure out a half cup of batter and pour it onto the waffle iron. Close it up and wait for that little green light to tell you breakfast is ready. Bon appetit. That's good.